Man was a nomadic hunter until he discovered fire and started forging metals, giving shape to civilization as we know it, making our world move with machined and forged components. And KJ is proud to be part of this glorious tradition. KJ has taken precision forgings to another level with its continuing pursuit of excellence for decades. Today, KJ is one of India's market leaders when it comes to metal forgings, with its state-of-the-art production facilities at Ludhiana and Hosur, managed by a highly skilled and motivated workforce, producing a vast array of products both for the Indian and overseas markets. Our ever-growing list of esteemed customers is a reaffirmation of our beliefs and practices, which ensures that quality is always delivered on time. Quality checks for both incoming and outgoing materials make sure that only the best raw material is allowed to enter our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, guaranteeing that only top-notch products reach our clients. The divergent needs of our clients are given shape in our accomplished design section, where our ingenious and experienced visionaries work on the most sophisticated CAD/CAM softwares, because custom-made jobs require never-ending innovations, and every innovation requires custom-made tools. Each innovation is followed by precision in our futuristic tool room, which is filled with the world's best machines, such as high-speed VMCs like Deckel Maho and the Fanuc wire cutting machine, and other neoteric machines, ensuring custom-made forging and press tools with pinpoint precision. The surgical precision of our tool room is the driving force behind our Herculean forging presses and hammers. Forging presses with capacities ranging from 500 to 1,600 tons and hammers ranging from 1 to 2 tons are the pride and joy of KJ. Our press shop is embodied by our hydraulic presses up to 250 tons and mechanical presses from 5 to 400 tons. Our wide range of powerful presses and hammers carry out their jobs with utmost accuracy, churning out a variety of forged and machined components day in and day out. Forged components are heat-treated on the continuous conversed hardening, tempering and normalizing furnace. Shot blasting refines them further before moving them further onto our state-of-the-art machining line. Our new-age machining line is constantly infused with the latest of technology and is manned by our dexterous workforce. This perfect combination of man and machine combines to manufacture exquisite products in vast numbers. At KJ, we believe quantity should never affect quality, so quality checks are in place at all stages. Each component has to meet with the approval of both man and machine before being allowed to leave our premises. This indefatigable approach has culminated in a QMS ISO TS 16949 certification. We also adhere to ISO 14001 norms, ensuring our contribution to a clean and green environment. At KJ, we take great care of our workforce by providing them with a conducive environment and the latest in equipment and safety. Proper supervision and regular training by our trainers keep our workforce in tune with the latest technologies adopted by us. Enlightening discussions between all layers of management make us one. Make us Team KJ.
KJ was a dream that came true due to the hard work and cooperation of our workforce and collaborators. We have always tried to make KJ world class with perfection. That means making no compromises on quality and time.
When we look back at our footprints in the sands of time that bear testimony to our pursuit of excellence, we feel inspired to uphold our tradition of delivering quality on time and to keep innovating so that we not only meet our clients' expectations but exceed them every time. We follow our tradition of innovation with perfection, come what may, because we are KJ.